Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to talking about short tips and tricks. So as you see in Revit window area, there is a lots of tab open in this section. If we close this tab one by one, it will take a long time. Okay, so we can close in a short time. So how to do that? First of all, there is a lots of window you see open in this window section area. So now go to view ribbon tab, window panel. There is a tool, the close inactive. Okay, if we open one window such as say section window, this window, there is another other lots of window tab we need to close. So just click close inactive. Okay, as you see all tab will close in this tab section, tab panel. Okay, so how we close in a short time in all tab in this area. Okay, so that's it for today. We will see in next tutorial. Thank you.